Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring a clean environment so packages don't conflict. Create or activate your env, then install Jupyter Lab with pip or conda. Once done, change directory to the project folder you want served. That determines the file browser route. Next, run Jupyter Lab in the terminal. This launches a server and prints a local URL. If a browser does not open automatically, copy the provided http://localhost 8888 URL and paste it into your browser to view the interface. Once the server runs, make sure your kernels match the environment you use for code. Install ipykernel inside each env and register it so you can select the right kernel in notebooks. If port 8888 is busy, launch with port and optionally no browser, then open the chosen URL manually. You may want extensions like variable inspectors or Git integration. Install them into the same environment and rebuild if required. Also, set a working directory by launching from the desired folder to avoid navigation friction. To finish, secure your session. Use the token printed on startup or set a password in Jupyter Lab password so remote access is controlled. When you're done, stop the server with Ctrl+C and confirm. That frees the port. If something goes wrong, restart the server after closing browser tabs and check kernel status. A common fix: reinstall ipykernel in the environment, select that kernel in the notebook, then relaunch Jupyter Lab. This resolves most kernel connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.